let me show you the best portable multi-tool for your bicycle, and you can get this on AliExpress for around $4. So you see, like $3.53 at the moment. I'll actually leave a link in the description where you can get this, and for this price it's actually completely insane what we are getting, because the quality actually is much better than the price suggests. So again, at this price, yeah, I have no idea how they are able to actually produce it and sell and ship to you for that price. Absolutely insane. Basically, so this is what we can get inside over here. So we get Allen keys from number 2 to number 6 essentially. So the smallest 2mm and also 6mm here. So, and also the quality also overall of Allen keys also is really good. So I recently assembled a whole bike basically where I needed to use it, and again it was perfectly fine. So, and again, basically this kit covers pretty much everything you need to basically do most tasks, most simple tasks on the bike, to adjust your brakes for example, and basically adjust your pedals and stuff like that. So again, basic stuff. So also then we have your flat screwdriver. So okay, so and also a Phillips number 1 screwdriver here as well. I'm not sure where you would need like a flat screwdriver on a bike, but yeah, it's there, that's cool. Also, we have this bar here where we can also attach sockets. So yep, this kit also includes sockets, which is absolutely crazy. So do you actually know any other multi-tools that actually include sockets? What the hell, how is that? Yeah, so that's actually really cool. So when it comes to the sockets, we get number 9 and number 8. Sorry, number 10 actually, and this is number 8 essentially. So 8, 9, 10 again to do most basic tasks on the bike. So maybe if they included 13, that also would be good, but again probably doesn't fit in the kit. So but again, these should cover a lot of things essentially. So again, if you plug this in essentially, as you see, you essentially have like a proper socket essentially, that you can turn with a lot of force essentially. So man, that's actually pretty cool that you actually get this on like such a tiny multi-tool. So again, number 10 socket, that is actually, yeah, pretty much like most common socket on a bike, I imagine. So you have it over there and you can do actually decent job with that. So if you need like bigger sockets, then also you have this attachment over here. So we have essentially 4 15mm sockets essentially, well, like nuts, not yeah, basically like 15mm nuts essentially. Also 10mm, 8mm. I'm not sure what this is, 14G, no idea what that is. Also, what I really like about this kit is that it's not sloppy. I have used some other kits essentially, and basically what happens on them basically is basically these things actually fall out very easily. So if you place it in your pocket or some bag, essentially these like go all over, and again it doesn't stay put. But again, we actually have fairly decent tension over here, and everything really works just as good. So again, I have assembled a whole bike with this recently and used some other tasks, so it's actually decent. So, and the best part is again sockets. That's absolutely mind-blowing. Anyway, I will again leave the description link in the description basically where you can actually get this. And for this price, man, it's absolutely crazy what we're actually getting. That's absolutely insane price. Anyway, good luck.